Kung ganito lang sana kalinaw yung dashcam ko dati, ang dami ko na sigurong na-save na problema sa daan. Nag-upgrade pala tayo ngayon ng dashcam at yung kinuha natin is QCY M900 dashcam na equipped ng 4K resolution front camera and clear back camera na may 2K resolution at sharp and detail yung mga footage nito both front and back. Whether it's day or night, malinaw ang kuha niya. With Sony IMX678 sensor with super night vision, you can capture plates, road details, and incidents even in low light. Plus naka HDR function pa to, so balance ang exposure kahit may glare or strong sunlight. Para ka nang may rear view monitor na mas clear, mas wide ang view at kita mo agad both front and back in real time. And with 5G Wi-Fi connection, pwede mo ma-view at ma-download agad sa phone mo yung mga footage gamit ang Vidger app. Meron din pala itong GPS tracking, so recorded yung route at yung speed mo na perfect pang travel and daily driving. Kaya naman kung gusto mo ng dashcam na clear yung front camera, pati yung rear camera, plus meron pang 10 inches screen for easy viewing, this is a smart upgrade for your car. Kaya naman i-message mo na kami, i-click mo na yung message button below.